Hi, AB Calculus class. Here we're working on a table question. It's 2017. Question number 1, A and B only. A and B only, C and D are not on your exam, and they're not on your quiz. But A and B are on your quiz, and they're probably going to be on your exam. So the very first question says, use a left-hand Riemann sum with 3 subintervals indicated to approximate the volume. Now, listen. Left-hand Riemann sum is a left-hand Riemann sum. I'm hoping it's going to do what I want, so I'm just going to do it. Left-hand Riemann sum, I'm just going to find the area using a left-hand rectangle. Remember, when you're using left-hand rectangles, the distance between these is the base, and then the height, you either pick the one on the left or the right, depending on what they ask. And here it's a left-hand Riemann sum, so you pick the height on the left. And that's your first rectangle. And now from 2 to 5, that's a distance of 3. And we'll pick the height, which is 14.4. And then the last one from 5 to 10 is 5. And then 6.5 is the one on the left. They say indicate units of measure. Folks, if the whole problem is in feet and we're finding volume, they say estimate the volume. Volume's cubic, so it's just cubic feet. There is no reason to simplify. We're done. That's part A, done. What about part B? Is this an over or an underestimate? Well, we're dealing with left-hand rectangles. So either the graph will be increasing or the graph will be decreasing, because that's what matters. Concavity has nothing to do with it. Is the graph increasing or decreasing? If the graph is increasing, go up the left-hand side. Left-hand rectangles are underestimates. And if you're traveling up and if the graph is decreasing, left-hand rectangles are overestimates. So left-hand rectangles, when the graph is increasing, they're underestimates. And if the graph is decreasing, they're overestimates. Okay? It's not good enough to say the correct one, though. If you look, you can easily see this is decreasing. Okay? So because A of H is decreasing, therefore, the estimate is, and let's see, decreasing. If it's decreasing, it's an overestimate. Done. You have to mention it's decreasing. If you do not mention that it's decreasing, you get it wrong. Okay? It's not just that the fact it's an overestimate. You have to say it's an over or underestimate and be correct, and then you have to talk about if it's increasing or decreasing. Left-hand rectangles and right-hand rectangles, it depends if it's increasing or decreasing. Run an experiment just like I did. If it's trapezoids, this one's not, but if it was a trapezoid, it would deal with concavity. Concave down is an underestimate. Concave up provides overestimate. So trapezoids, it's if the concavity, and then increasing or decreasing will tell us if Riemann sums, left right-hand Riemann sums, are over or underestimates. That's it. A and B, done. Thank you. Bye.